Friends, here is a question on the screen. In the figure, a circle touches all the four sides of a quadrilateral ABCD, whose sides are AB is equal to 6 cm, BC is equal to 9 cm, and CD is equal to 8 cm. Find the length of side AD. Friends, here we see that this circle touches the quadrilateral ABCD, and we know that when the circle touches the quadrilateral ABCD, then the sum of the opposite sides is always equal. And here we will apply the same knowledge that the sum of the opposite sides is equal, and therefore AB plus CD. So here we can use that AB plus CD, that is equal to BC plus AD. BC plus AD. And now here the lengths are given. So AB is what? It is 6 cm. So it will be 6 plus CD. CD is what? It is 8 cm. So it will be 8 cm, which is equal to BC. BC is 9 cm plus AD, that we have to find. So it will be as it is. So 8 plus 6, that will be 14, which is equal to 9 plus AD. And if you take 9 to this side, it will be 14 minus 9, and so that will be 5, and therefore AD is equal to 5 cm. Highlight your answer, and so here the AD is what? It is equal to 5 cm. Now move to the second question. The next question is that if the 10th term of an AP is 47 and its first term is 2, find the sum of the 15 terms. So what here given to us that A10, the 10th term, is given as 47, and it is also given that the first term, that is A, is 2, and what we have to find? We have to find the sum of the first 15 terms. So here A10 is equal to 49, A10 is equal to, it is 47. So A10 we write as A plus 9D, which is equal to 47. And now put the value. A is what? It is given as 2. And so A is 2. So it will be 2 plus 9D, that is equal to 47. And take 2 to other side. So it will be minus 2. So 47 minus 2, that will be 45. So 9D, that is equal to 45. And so 9 5s are 45, and so we get D is equal to 5. D is a common difference, so we have got the common difference as 5, and the first term is given as 2. Now we will solve this further. What we have to find? We have to find the sum of the 15 terms. And so to find the formula, we use the sum of the n terms, that is n by 2, correct, into bracket 2a into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula to find the sum of the n terms, and we have to find the sum of the 15 terms. So n will be what? It is 15, and so 15 upon 2 inside the bracket 2a, that is 2 into a is what? A, the value of a is 2, so it is 2 into 2 plus n minus 1. N minus 1, that is 15 minus 1 into d is a common difference, and that d we have calculated as 5. So close the bracket. So which is equal to 15 upon 2 into bracket, this will be 2 to the 4 plus 15 minus 1, that is 14, and 14 into 5. 14 into 5, that is 70. So you have got 15 by 2 into bracket 4 plus 70, and so which is 15 by 2 into 4 plus 70, that is 74. So this will be 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, and carry on 1, and 2 7s are 14. So it will be 37. So 15 into 37, that is equal to 555. And so we get S15, that is equal to 555. And since this question is asked for the 2 marks, there are 2 important steps. First, finding the common difference, and second, finding the 15th term. And so highlight both terms so that the examiner finds it very easy to check your answer paper. So highlight at the highlight the 2 steps, that is D is equal to 5 and A15 is equal to 555. Now move to the second question. The question is that in the figure, the incircle of triangle ABC touches the sides BC, CA and AB at D, E and F respectively. Show that AF plus BD plus CE is equal to AE plus BF plus CD, that is equal to half the perimeter of the triangle. Here friends, ABC is a triangle and this circle touches the triangle ABC, and this is the incircle. This is given that it is the incircle of triangle ABC, and we have to prove that AF plus BD plus CE, that is equal to AE plus BF plus CD, that is equal to half the perimeter of the triangle. Now here we know friends that the tangents drawn from the exterior point of a circle, this is B is the exterior point, and therefore BD and BF are the 2 tangents drawn from the exterior point of the circle, and therefore these 2 tangents will be equal. Similarly, C is the exterior point of this circle, and therefore CE and CD are the tangents drawn from the exterior point of the circle, and therefore these 2 tangents will be equal. Similarly, AF and AE are also equal because the tangents drawn from the exterior point of the circle are always equal. And therefore we can write as AF is equal to AE, and BD is equal to BF, and CE is equal to CD. Correct? AF is equal to AE, BD is equal to BF, and CE is equal to CD. These tangents are equal. Let this be number 1, 2 and 3. And the reason for this you have to write as the tangents drawn from the exterior point of the circle are always equal. Now here if we add the equations 1, 2 and 3, so adding 1, 2 and 3, adding 1, 2 and 3, what we will get? We will get AF plus BD plus BD plus CE, that is equal to AE plus BF plus CE. Adding 1, 2 and 3. So we will first add the left hand side and then we will add the right hand side. Now we have to show that this is equal to what? The half the perimeter of the triangle. So first we will find the perimeter of the triangle. So perimeter of a triangle, that is equal to what? The sum of the 3 sides, that is AB plus BC plus AC. Sum of all the 3 sides, that is the perimeter of the triangle. But AB is what? It is AF plus BF. Correct? So we can write AB as AF plus BF. Correct? I do not put this into bracket. So AF plus BF. Similarly, this is BC. That BC is what? It is BD plus DC. So it will be plus BD plus DC. Plus here AC, that can be written as AE plus EC. AE plus EC. Now here we will take the two sides or lengths that are equal. So here AF, we know that AF is equal to what? AE. So this AF and this AE we will take together, but AF and AE are equal because the tangents drawn from the exterior point, and therefore these two are the equal, so we can write it as twice of AF. So it is twice of AF. Plus similarly this BF and BD are equal. This BF and BD are equal, so the sum of these two, since both are equal, the sum of these two will be either twice of BD or twice of BF. So we will write it as twice of BD. Plus here DC and EC are equal, so DC and EC are equal, so the sum of these two will be either twice of DC or twice of EC, so we will take it as twice of EC. Now if you take this 2 to the other side, if you take this 2 to the other side, you will get it as half the perimeter of triangle, that is equal to what? It will be AF plus BD plus CE. Correct? 2 we have taken out as a common factor and then we have shifted it to other side, so it has become 1 upon 2 perimeter of triangle, that is equal to AF plus BD plus CE. But AF plus BD plus CE, that is equal to AE plus BF plus CD, and we can write finally hence what we can write, that AF plus BD plus CE, that is equal to AE plus BF plus CD, that is equal to half into perimeter of triangle, half into perimeter of triangle ABC, and hence we have proved this. Friends, I hope you must have enjoyed this video. If yes, please like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching this video.